Morning folks, you find us again, heading off from Wolverhampton on another rail journey, and today we're heading to Coventry. I want to go to Coventry because they're redeveloping the station like Wolverhampton, and so I want to do a video looking at how it's changing and when it comes new, and do some train spotting there as another video. Suddenly it dawns on me, the train just leaving is also going to Coventry. I could have got on that instead. Oh well. Truly morning for thinking like that. Let's crack on with the video. Leaving Wolverhampton, the train, a 350-377, good old Graham Taylor, my favourite 350. Zooming past Pitton on our way to Birmingham New Street, and there we are, Graham Taylor. Time to board, 350-231 to Coventry. A nice morning actually it was. There we go. Crack on and get comfortable. Here we are folks, passing Birmingham Airport, of course passing Birmingham International. A lot of the stations we're passing in these few little clips here we'll be returning to in other videos, so watch out. Carry on to Coventry, and here we are. Right folks, we're here at Coventry. Just got off the 350 that was now going to Northampton. We come here today to look around the new changes to Coventry and do of course some train spotting and some exploring, maybe somewhere else that's on the other channel. I am indeed behind the yellow lines and right in the middle of the stations. There we are, there seems to be a lot of building work here. There's a new bridge going up over there. Impressive structure. Not finished yet, but you can see it's probably going to connect all the other platforms together. And there we are, Coventry Station. New sign, that's really impressive. This building is really good. I'm impressed. It's far more impressive than Wolverhampton, I have to say. Here we are, the new building, and onto the old building, which is of course listed in Coventry Station. The new bridge, best view I found of the day. And here's some more features that just go to the platform. History there. And coming up, a memorial. And the best feature of all, welcome of course to Coventry. There you are folks, nice view of the new building at Coventry Station. Not finished yet, I will come back here when it is finished, but it's quite an impressive building, I'll give it that already. So folks, thank you for watching this Chris Team's world journey from Wolverhampton to Coventry. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.